Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today I've unboxed and I'll be showcasing the Edifier R1280T active speaker. It has two inputs, sub out, and it has controls on the side. So physical controls here on the side. I'll show more of that in just a moment. There's three dials here and a remote control. And it comes with all of the cabling that you would need to hook these up. So these are cabled together, and then you have your cables for out and in. So this is the main active speaker. It has 42 watts RMS. So we'll go ahead and show you the back part of this now. I like the wood outside, it has a nice feel to it. And here are the different controls that I mentioned just moments ago. So you can control that here. Here's the treble control, bass control. You'll want to turn that up to probably 9. I like a lot of bass myself. And then here's the back with all the connections. These are physical connections. It's an active speaker, so you have an on and off button right here. You have 2 line ins, and this is for the left speaker to attach with the cord I just showed you, and you have the sub out port there. So it has pretty much everything on this one speaker here. This is from Edifier. And then on this speaker, it just has the line connection ports right there. And again, the cable comes in the package, so really everything you want to have set up. And if you want to have Bluetooth connection to this set of speakers, you can hook up pretty much any of the Google AudioCast or any other Bluetooth adapter you can get out there and put that in to this speaker set and just switch it to line in, and it'll play nicely through these speakers. These are definitely a heavier set of speakers. They're not cheap design, they're not a cheap build at all. They do have some weight to them. Again, 42 watts RMS, everything included, Edifier 1280T. This is Chris Roshnot. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course, thumbs up.